Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. It is date night, so I decided to come on here and do a little get ready with me, show you guys how I'm going to do my makeup and probably my outfit if I have time, because I'm already running late. So if you don't see the outfit, then don't come at me. But if you want to see the outfit and it's not going to be on here because I don't have time, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I will put it right here. Follow me. Don't forget to hit this subscribe button, become part of the family. It's a small family, but so join it. But we're fun. Anyways, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Turn on the post notification bell so you guys can know when I post another video. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get right into this video because I've got to go. I already did my brows off camera. If you guys want to see how I do my brows, then I will link my brow tutorial in the description box. So let's go and let's do this, because if my boyfriend gets to the restaurant before I do, he gonna be mad, because he always has to wait on me. And this time, I'm trying to not have that happen. I need to get there before he does. So I'm just going to go ahead and base my eyes, or prime my eyes with concealer. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my eyes first. I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out. So I've been sick all week. If you watched my previous video, I said that because it's not too long after that. So I've just been really sick and I need some good food, but like healthy good food. So I'm gonna go get pho so that my stomach can have some love in it. Some soup or something. I wanted my mom to make me soup, but she lives so far and it's like raining and I don't have the energy to go that far. So I'll settle for pho. I'll probably go tomorrow to go get her soup because her soup is everything. Alright, so now that my eyes are nicely based, I'm going to go into the Soft Glam palettes because I feel like this is like the perfect palette for me to go into whenever I'm looking for a nice brown makeup look, and that's what I'm going for today, nice brown look. So I'm going to go ahead and take the color, I'm going to take the color Sienna as my transition shade. I'm going to start with this one. Well, I don't know, it's not too dark, but I'm just going to focus that on the upper part of my crease. And what I'm doing, I'm packing it in first and then I'll blend. So now I'm just going to go kind of like windshield wipers and kind of blend it out. So the weather in Boston today has been like Florida, where it rains all of a sudden and then the sun shining again. So it was thunderstorming this morning, like early this morning it rained and it was thunderstorming, and then the sun kind of came out for a bit, and then out of nowhere it got like super dark and thunderstormed again. So I think I was in Florida for a little bit today. I feel like we haven't gotten a break with the rain here in Boston. It's been so weird. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Cypress. I'm going to put that into my crease. Yeah, that's like really dark. But I'm just going to blend that out. That's way too much. I'm going to go into Mulberry and I'm going to put it like in the outer corner of my eye. I just like mix it in with the Cypress. And then I'm going to go back into my transition shade. I'm just going to add some more. Just going to blend out the two shades. Alright, now for my lids, I'm gonna go ahead and take Sultry and just pop that on the lids. Sorry, this is Sultry. And I'm not cutting my crease, I'm just gonna add this on. I don't feel like cutting my crease. Should I cut my crease? I don't think I need to. I'm just adding a little bit of rose pink, which is that shade. I'm just like the outer, I'm just like adding it just because it gives a little bit more pop to the color. I'm gonna go ahead and add some eyeliner. I'm not gonna do a wing, so I'm just adding eyeliner. In eyeliner, I'm just using the Maybelline Ice Studio. Alright, so I'm gonna pop some lashes on and I'll be right back. Alright, so I put on some pretty natural lashes. I think these were Kiss lashes. Can't remember. But we're gonna go ahead and move on to my face. I'm gonna go ahead and prime using Coconut Skin Smoothie Primer. Do I even have to show you guys? Because I don't use nothing else. And it's like 5:15. I told my boyfriend I was leaving the apartment at 5:30. Also have not envisioned what I'm gonna wear, so that's okay. I wonder if it's gonna start raining again though. That's the thing. So let me check the weather. But how do I know since it's been acting like Florida all day? So it looks like, it says it's still raining, but it doesn't look like it. But it says it's gonna rain again at like 7. But then that's it. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna also use the Hourglass VL primer for a mattifying look. I really gotta figure out what I'm gonna wear. Like, honestly, I really do have to figure that out. So like I said in my last video, I focused this primer in areas that I get oily fast since it's summer now. So like my nose gets pretty oily. And on my forehead. Boy, this forehead gets shiny. Alright, for foundation, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my good old trusty Lancome. Ooh, what the heck? Like stick fell off. Oh, it's getting everywhere. The like stick fell off the damn pump. So we're just gonna use a little bit from the stick. The stick fell off the pump and it's like getting everywhere right now. It got on my palette. The foundation got right on my palette. And I sprayed it with setting spray first. Just gonna go ahead and blend out this foundation. Alright, so quickly just gonna highlight a bit. So for highlight, I'm gonna just use the LA Girl Pro Concealer today to highlight. I'm gonna have to use the brush that I just used because I didn't wet my beauty blender. It's God's beat maker. And I'm not gonna contour, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use just powder bronzer. I'm gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna set my concealer. I don't know why I haven't done that yet. And I'm setting it with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. I don't know why I keep saying that. It's the only powder that I use. Only powder I use. Alright, I have to switch my memory card. Okay. So I'm just like patting in that powder, kind of brushing it off the excess. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and just finish up my eyes. So I'm just gonna put those same shadows underneath my lash line. I'm gonna go into Mulberry, that like burgundy shade, and that's what I'm gonna put under there. Also just gonna go ahead and line the bottom of my lashes. So for the inner corners of my eyes, I'm gonna add a little bit of, I'm just gonna bring down the same shadow that I have on my lids there. Okay, I need to get out of here. For blush, I'm gonna go into, these are the Too Faced blushes that I have sitting there that I never use. It's like this kind of pinkish, shimmering blush. So what I don't really like about these blushes is that they're more shimmery than color. But this is in the shade Sparkling Bellini. Well, it says sparkling, so what did I expect? Can't follow the thing. It says sparkling, so I assume that's what sparkling means at this point. For highlights, I'm gonna spray my face first. Actually, I'm gonna do my mascara. I did put mascaras on my lashes, but not the bottom lashes, yes. So let's do that. I'm dumb. I'm supposed to spray my face, then do my, okay, whatever. I'll spray my face at like the end. But for highlight, I'm gonna take one of these shadows. I'm gonna take this highlighter. It's an illuminator actually, and I'm gonna add some highlight. I don't want to do too much because it's not, you know, no need to do all that too much. Plus, my face is already sparkling from the blush that I don't really even need to add much to my face, so I won't. But this is the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Misconduct. Misconduct. I really like this, yep. I like that. Okay, so I really like how that lip looks with my eyes, so I'm gonna keep it on anyways. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready, and then I will come back when I'm dressed, and then I'll spray my face. I still don't think my mascara is dried down. So I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed, and then I'll show you guys the end of the end product, and then I'll close this video out and spray my face. So I'll be right back. It's gonna take me like a million years to find something to wear, but I don't have time for that. So hopefully I can just look in my closet and find something really simple and nice, whatever. Alright guys, so I just threw on this dress really quick. So this is what I'm gonna be wearing. I'm gonna tie this like denim shirt around the waist, just cause we're also, hold on, yep, so just cause we're also going to the movies later and I might get cold, so I'm just gonna take that and just tie that around my waist as well. And yeah, but this is pretty much what I'm wearing. The dress is from H&M, I believe. I got it like probably 2 years ago. so don't go looking for it now. And my sandals are from Shoe Dazzle. There we go. Sandals are from Shoe Dazzle. But yeah, yep, I'm pretty much ready. I'm waiting for my Uber. I know I said I was gonna take the public transportation, but I lied. I don't have time. I really have to get going. This dress is like really see-through, so I'm gonna throw on like a shaper, just like a black shorts underneath them. But they're like, it's like really see-through because you guys can see, really see-through. I'm gonna throw something on underneath that, just so I'm not exposing my body. Also, when I put the shirt on, I don't think it's gonna show, but I'm gonna put something on underneath, so don't rush me. But yeah, that's what I'm wearing. That's the outfit for the night. I just threw on these earrings and it's like a necklace thing. But yeah, I'm pretty much ready to go. I'm just waiting for my Uber. Actually, I don't think I actually requested it yet, so I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna get out of here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this little get ready with me, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and to like this video and also share it and turn on the post notification bell so you guys know when I upload another video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll put it again right here. Follow me on the Grwm, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.